Alright, today I want to recommend this product. It's something I've been using a lot and honestly, it's super useful. At home, my wife, my son, and I use it every day. We're all into fitness and working out, so this has become an essential part of our daily routine. We use it for protein shakes and it just makes everything so much easier. It's way more practical than those big, bulky blenders with huge cogs. Why? Let me show you. So, right here, I add my protein shake, throw in some fruit, put the blade on, lock it into place, and all you gotta do now is press it down and twist. Give it a few seconds, and that's it. Super quick, super easy. Now let's say you're in a rush and don't have time to drink it at home. It comes with this lid and just put it on and you can take it with you on the go. Honestly, this is one of those things you definitely want to have at home.